New BlackJack cones. Johnny 5 is alive. Johnny 5 series. No cutouts. No stupid bolt holes. So I had, during the pandemic, we were short and I could only order from Lorda Base. Lorda Base has the ones with the little notches out for the mounting hardware. Anyways, I used that cone on a mortgage broker in New Jersey named Martin Levitt. And one of the little holes, like right here, let me show you on this one, right there, the glue didn't quite get there and it had a little tiny leak. Well, that motherfucker, he did a 300 something chargeback, $350, $330 chargeback. And that's why we don't take credit cards anymore. So, because motherfuckers like that, he wanted refunds on the shipping and everything. And he was like completely unsatisfied, blah, 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 blah. And it's like, okay, dude, you're a fucking grown man. Put some glue on it, be done with it. No, he wasn't. So, but I wanted to use this video to talk about this new cone that we have. This is the newest version of the 5 series cone. And we use the poly dish cap, which is really popular. And then what I do is I go back with a drill bit, a little stepper bit from Harbor Freight, and I go on the back side to show me where it's at, and then I come back from the front side and I go, just give it a little tap until I start to see a little bit of aluminum, and then I give it a little whoosh, and then, dude, it's super clean. It turns out really, really nice. And then we put the wraparound gasket. These are for a guy. This is the, he had some JL Audio W3s, which he paid, I think, it was like $250 or $270 for each. And, you know, those things, we've talked about that. Those things have a little shitty, like I use them only for weights. That's the 12W3. And then look at that little guy, the little stupid voice coil. So he's like, I want something really beefy. And I was like, well, we got these for $150. So, and these are good for like 1,000 watts, man, 1,000 watts each. And he's got a JL Audio 500/1, which is not a 1,000 watt amp. In fact, I like to use a half rating on subs. So he's going to have 2 of these 12s. Each one's good for 1,000 watts, and then he's going to have a 500 watt. So that's even better. You can even go up to 1,000 watt, 1,000/1, and still be a really good safe zone. So you guys really don't need to max out your subs like that with that big of an amplifier. It's like you're just asking to blow them. And if you want something more powerful, buy more powerful subs. Bigger magnets. Quit trying to just, fucking, what do you call it? Overdrive your CPU. That kind of thing. Don't be doing that. That's how you blow up voice coils. So, but he wants these to look good with his, here's the other one. These are going to get the little JL decal right there. So I'm not charging him anything for the JL decal. So, because that would be wrong. So, see? Now, if I was to sell them, I could see that might be a problem. But we're not selling them. We give them away for free. There we go. And then all his friends will go, man, your JL subs are rad. And he's like, yep, if you want one, they're only $200 each. And so he makes $50. Or you can say they're $300 each. So, but basically they're as powerful as the 12W7 that he got for $150. So in this version, because it's the 500/1, it's 2 ohm stable. So we did the 8-layer coils, all in series, which means each woofer is 4 ohm, 2 4 ohm subs in parallel. That's 2 ohm. So these are gonna fucking knock, man. I'm really excited to see these. So, but buy performance, guys, not brand. Brand is just a brand. Like right here, look at that. Is this the one? What is this one? Oh, this is the antifreeze. I love the full synthetic. Oh my god. It's full synthetic, dude. Somebody's got to make that fucking full synthetic right here. I love this shit. So I even take the old stuff and use it for cutting fluid. Dude, does the oil know it's Super Tech? No, it doesn't care. It's fucking the good shit. And it's cheap. So save some money, do your research, be a smart person, don't be a dummy. Love you guys. Later.